All right, YouTubers. I brought the rain, didn't I? I'll put you on the center. I won't show you a lot because even with wipers going, it isn't funny. I did 3 walk-arounds in the rain. Everything's good. We're headed west in the Yoop. And he's not on my lap yet. He's coming though. Kiki's in the back again. We're gonna be storms tonight, so it rained all night last night. Kinda hard too. It was cold. I don't know if I already said this because I'm forgetful. I didn't bring my winter coat, but I got a lot of long sleeve, a couple jackets or hoodies and fleece. And I brought my heavy raincoat, which is lined and actually pretty warm. So I should be fine. And I got a couple pairs of gloves somewhere. All right, get it out of your system today, UP. We don't need rain the whole time. It never fails. One good thing, the deer are probably all bedded down, so I don't have to worry too much about hitting a deer. I shouldn't even say that out loud. But with the rain and the overcast, it's not going to show that the trees are starting to turn already. Well, not already. This is the right time. All right, we're getting on to 123. All right, that's enough for now, don't you think? I agree. It is more than enough. I won't speed it up this time. I'll just let it run for a couple minutes. All right. We're coming up to US 2. This is far from true, but I guess I'll say I'm starting to become more familiar with up here than my own neighborhood back in Ohio. Oh, slow it down, Eduardo. Should have a detour, I think, up here. I think we're closing in on that bridge for the Cut River. I know it was only a couple months ago that I was here. I doubt they got it done. I won't tell the people how much you ate last night, Vin, but it was embarrassing. I gotta put him on a diet. I'm one of them bad people that just leaves food down for them. Yep, obviously you can see. We still got the detour. Alright, detour over. We missed the Cut River Bridge. I've shown you that bridge before, if you're exceedingly interested in it. Pretty views to my left of Lake Michigan. But this is just rain. Back later. This is just my life, isn't it? And again, I think there's a big storm today, and hopefully it blows through. Just, this is my life. I know I should use windshield wipers faster, but I never do. Alright, Alright, splash some more gas. I didn't want to do BP. I don't like BP. But I think I turn right here. And I think I gotta go a little ways before I get to gas, so safe than sorry. All right. Kiki is still way in the back. Come on, Kiki. Well, I lost part of the hubcap. I wonder, that hubcap that I just showed a picture of, I'm wondering, I hit a puddle that was relatively deep. I wonder if that's what broke it, because the ring is still on there. It just broke the cap off the ring that connects to it. Always, every time I stop, I don't know about everybody else, but I do walk around. But I still haven't, I've still lost those rubber running boards. I haven't replaced them yet. I think the other ones are still there. I gotta figure out where you get those things. North we go. It's not a lot of rain, so I don't know. People might go, friggin' UP again? I don't see it as a mistake. I have no regrets. And the colors are just coming into it. Next few days are going to be awesome. I couldn't figure out what's going on. Along the side here, there was all these stacks of like railroad ties. Like hundreds of them in each stack, and a bunch of stacks. Then I figured out there's some over there too. I guess the ground around all these telephone poles, they must have put new telephone poles in, was so soft or something that in order to work on the poles, they must have had to put all those railroad ties down because they had heavy vehicles parked on them. Couldn't figure out what they were doing. No point in that, just, oh gee whiz. And the leaves are falling. Alright, another road change. We're leaving 77, I believe we're on. Rain sporadic now, sometimes hard, sometimes mist. Getting on to 28. Along the top, along the lake. All right, Munising 35, Marquette 78. You know where we're heading. Closing in on Munising. Need a pumpkin? They got a lot of pumpkins. Muldoon's pasties. I've had theirs. They're okay. Right here on your right is a really good information center. U.S. Park Service. Apparently there's another big storm coming. Winds and all that crap. Doesn't want to stop with bad weather. There's a place I was going to stop here. Ooh, a burger. Oh crap. Right here on the right on this corner of, I don't know what streets we're on. It's a new burger place. Actually, Munising has done a good job getting better food lately. Here's where you get on the Pictured Rocks boat. If If you ever get here and you haven't done it, you should do it. It's very good. I am just passing the casino, the free one I stayed in Christmas. And they have, I could stay there if I wanted to. They only got 2 RVs there. I swam in this lake right here on the left, 4th of July last year. Not this summer, the summer before. It was much warmer than Lake Superior. Coming, that wind's blowing. Lake and Inland on my left. If you get near Marquette, Lake and Inland is sure worth checking out. I like that place. Which means I'm only about 5 miles from Ojibwa Casino. Another weather advisory. This was my sunset spot right here at this roadside rest. Across from Gitchigumi RV Park. There's the Ojibwa Casino and Campground, my favorite free camping I've ever seen. Well, it's all tore up now, there's no camping there. Alright, that's enough for now. We're gonna go to Gene K's. Yes, I am. Get him to go. Look at all little children's tied on a rope. You can't see them. It's always so cute. got one beef and one veggie pasty to take on the road. In my opinion, these are the best pasties you can get, and I can't wait for dinner tonight. Got a green arrow. Let's go, peoples. plan might get amended again, because good plans always get amended. That big storm is coming. And I might stop at Beriga instead of carrying on. Some gas. Alright, as you can see, the weather hasn't gotten any better. And on your left is Lowry's, another good pasty place. But I got mine from GK's. I'm going to press on to Beriga. Probably doing the casino tonight. Just to avoid the worst of the storm if I can. Isn't this beautiful? I think it's supposed to pass and then be decent. But I was going to be getting to Ontonagon right in the middle of the storm. So I think this is a good idea. I'll stop and gamble a little bit. That's enough fog and rain and nasty. Look at that, I think I was a little late though, getting to the camera. No justice. Maybe there'll be more driving that's clearer, nicer days. Of course, it's gonna be time for some camera work. Catching people. My timing's pretty good. I think the next week or so is going to be awesome. I keep saying it, but again, this GoPro's not doing it any justice. Hilltop Cafe. Monster cinnamon rolls. The shrine to Bishop Beriga. If you get here, check it out. Beriga State Park. Nice enough. I don't like it. It's too close to the road. But it's a pretty park. It's just too close to the road. Of them here. I ended up getting the last working one here because they told me that there's a lot of construction in the area. So, have a great and wonderful day, and the trip will continue.